everyone! I'm still here in Japan, in a beautiful city called Kyoto. I was planning to cross that famous red bridge, but as you can see, it's broken right in the middle. The good news is we can fix it together, okay? How? By choosing the right words, of course. Are you ready to play and help me fix that bridge? Ho, 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 ho! Okay, here we have a first challenge. It says, read with me, okay? Summer days are two options, guys. Warmer than winter days or colder than winter days. Take a moment to think and choose the right option. And the correct answer is warmer than, right? Yes, summer days are warmer than winter days. Okay, great. And look, we've got some red stones falling from the sky. Yeah, they're helping us to fix the bridge. Awesome. Okay, with your help, we're going to cross this bridge. Wait. Okay, let's see what's next. All right, here we have our second challenge. And read again with me. If you touch the ice, your hands get colder or your hands get warmer? What do you think? What do you think? And that's right! The right option is colder. Look! And yes, more red stones are falling. I love it! The sentence is, if you touch the ice, your hands get colder. We're doing an amazing job. And thanks for your help, okay? We have one more challenge ahead. Come on, our last challenge is, if you put on a sweater, okay, if you put on a sweater, you get warmest or you get colder? Take a moment to decide. Is everything okay in here? Are you sure that these are the right options? I don't trust you. No, something's wrong. Can you see? The right option is warmer. Yes, if you put on a sweater, you get warmer. We have to correct that. Yeah, there we go. And again, the missing stones are falling down and the bridge is complete. Thanks for your help. We did it. We fixed the bridge together and we've learned about the words warmer and colder. Remember?
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural. La mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, ready to keep learning? Sorry for my green fingers. Today we're going to work with the adjectives comparatives and following the previous activity, cold and warm. Let's see. Look, we have them in here. Hey, but they look different, colder and warmer. What happened? Let's see the example we have at the top of the activity. Look, here we are going to compare two objects, right? And see if we just have one, such as this one, this soup is yet cold. This soup, the only soup is cold, we have one. We use the adjective by itself. But what happens if I want to compare it with the water? This soup is colder than the water. The soup is much colder than the water, okay? So see that this is what we're going to do. We have different sentences and we just need to put them properly depending on where do they fit the best, okay? So let's go for the first one. The snow, the snow is already a reference. The snow is then the ice. The snow is what? Colder than the ice or warmer than the ice? What do you think? I mean, the snow and ice are both cold, but the ice is like super, super, super cold. It's like, yes, the top one cold, okay? If you touch the ice, ooh, you really get cold. So I would say the snow is warmer than the ice, yes? If the ice is the coldest from all, then the snow is warmer than the ice. WARMER. Yes? I do like to write, yes, beautiful letters, but you can do it the way you want, all right? Let's go for the next sentence. After the exercise, I felt colder or I felt warmer than before. After the exercise, so imagine that I've been playing basketball or I've been dancing. And after that, yes, I feel warmer again. That is the right word. I am feeling warm, like I've been sweating, I've been moving, right? So now I'm warmer than before. WARMER. Okay, let's go for the next one. This sweater is colder than the one I wore yesterday, or this sweater is warmer than the one I wore yesterday. All right. Here, yes, we don't have any reference. We don't know how is the sweater today and how was the sweater yesterday. So that is a bit tricky. I think honestly that as there is no reference, we could use colder or warmer both, okay? So let's just start writing warmer. WARMER. Yes? This sweater is warmer than the one I wore yesterday. But we could also say this sweater is colder than the one I wore yesterday. Yes? Great! Both are totally fine as we don't know how thick or thin are they. Let's go for the number 4. Summer days are colder or warmer than the winter days. We have summer days and we have winter days. So these are the days we're comparing. What do you think, guys? In summer we feel what? Hot, right? So summer days are warmer. Hey, what's happening with the adjective warm? It's getting all sentences. Summer days are warmer. Great. We have it. Well done. All right. Number 5. If you touch the ice, your hands get, whoops. Imagine touching ice. Whoops. Very, very cold, right? So, of course, now we know it. And at last call, got a sentence. If you touch the ice, your hands get colder. COLDER. And finally, if you put on a sweater, you get what? You get warmer, right? Because, yes, sweaters are what we wear when we feel cold. So, again and finally, warmer. WARM. Sorry for this strange M I'm doing here. ENR. We did it, guys. Super. Yes? Can you see the difference between colder and warmer? Great. Well done. And now, if you want, what you can do is to paint some of the letters, or you can paint the whole words if you want. Totally up to you guys. See that this is to practice English as well as to have fun. All right? So here I'm just going to paint some of them, not all letters. But yeah, A, M, and R of warmer. And yes, here I'm going to paint again the W, and C from colder, just the initial sounds. Great. And now I'm going to do A. Yes, I'm just going to draw some stripes. Yeah, it's a stripy word. Great. And with colder, I'm going to do dots. Dot. Great. And I think that for the last word, the final word, let's just paint it all. W-A-R-M-E-R. And that's it. Great. That's it, guys. You really did a good job. Yes? Bye-bye.